Hello, good morning, dear students. Today we can discuss continuation of yesterday's class. In the previous class, we were discussed how to read data from a file and its related operations also we discussed. Its related operations means four types of reading operations are there. Read, then read n characters, read line, read lines, etc. Its syntaxes also we discussed. Today we can discuss its practical implementation. Here first we are going to discussing about read operation. Please look into this image. Why we are using reading operation? Read is used for reading the entire data from a file. Okay, reading the entire data from a file. Okay, for this you can create a file using any other softwares like Notepad, Microsoft Word, etc. Did you see here one Notepad file is given? What is its name? Test.txt. That Notepad file included some text. Hello user, first line. Second line, you are working with. Third line, Python. Fourth line, files. For this you can create this type of file first. After creating this file, you can open your Python programming window. Then you can type like this: f equal to open test.txt comma r, then data equal to f dot read, print data f dot close. What is its meaning? F equal to open test.txt comma r. If you are working with a file, first you should open that file. Okay, opening is the first step for performing operations related with a file. F equal to open test.txt comma r. Okay, test.txt means file name, then comma r means that file in reading mode, then data equal to f dot read. Its syntax also already we discussed. Data equal to f dot read, file object dot read. Here data equal to f dot read means data is a variable which stores the data from a file. Okay, data equal to f dot read means f dot read is used for reading data or accessing data from the file, and that data will store this variable data. Then for getting that data in a printed format, you can use code like print data. Okay, after that you can close that file with f dot close. That is the last stage of a file operation. First opening, then last closing. Please look into its output part. That same content is printed here. Hello user, you are working with Python files. Okay, how we got that output? This read is used for reading the entire data from a file. We already created a notepad file which included some text. That entire text is printed here in this output window. Then code f, first you should open that file, then reading mode, then data equal to f dot read, which is used for, that code is used for reading or accessing data from a file. That accessed or that read data will store in this variable data. Then print data for getting its printed format, then f dot close is used for closing that file. Okay, next we are going to discussing about practical implementation of reading with n characters. Please look into this image. This program also based on previous notepad file test.txt. Do you remember that? Okay, next programs also based on that previous notepad file. You don't forget about that. Then here to illustrate read n by reading only the first 10 characters from the file test.txt. We are going to reading first 10 characters. Okay, read n is used for reading n characters from a file. Here we are going to discussing about a program related with reading of first 10 characters from the file test.txt. Then program to read only first 10 characters. Please look into this program f equal to open test.txt comma r. Okay, we opened that file with reading mode r. Then data equal to f dot read within parenthesis 10. Okay, in the previous program, that means in the case of reading operation, we used data equal to f dot read only. Here we given number of characters also, data equal to f dot read within parenthesis 10. What is its meaning? Here this code is used for reading only first 10 characters. Okay, data equal to f dot read within parenthesis 10. Then print data. Okay, that first 10 characters are stored in the variable data. Then if you want to get that data in a printed format, you can use print data. Okay, print data. Then f dot close. F dot close means that file is closed. Then please look into its output part. What is its output? Hello user. Hello user. Okay, once again you remind about test.txt notepad file. What is its first line? Hello user. Do you remember that? Hello user. How many characters are there? HELLO, then USER. Then in between that hello and user there is a space. That space also will consider as a character. Total 10 characters will print. Okay, that code is used for printing first 10 characters. First 10 characters means hello, which included 5 characters, then space 6 character, then U 7, S 8, E 9, R 10. Okay, this read n is used for reading n characters. Here we read 10 characters from this file. Finally we will get the result hello user. That means 10 characters will print from this file. Next operation is read line. Here please look into this image, program to read data line by line from the file. Okay, using this read line operation you can read data line by line from the file. Okay, you can read the data line by line. Please look into these programming codes. First step is f equal to open test.txt comma r. Okay, this program also based on previous notepad file test.txt. That file is opened. First step is opening that file, f equal to open test.txt comma r. Then line 1 equal to f dot read line. Okay, that means why we are using that code? Line 1 equal to f dot read line, which is used for first reading first line from the notepad file. Then print line 1 comma end. Why we are using that print code, which is used for printing that readed data? We already accessed, or we already read line 1 equal to f dot read line. Okay, after that we can print that line. Then did you see line 2 equal to f dot read line? Then next step, print line 2 comma end. Okay, that means second line also printed. Then line 3 equal to f dot read line, then print line 3 comma end. Then line 4 equal to f dot read line, then print line 4 comma end. Finally that file is closed, f dot close. Okay, why we are using this read line operation which is used for reading line by line from the file. First we opened that file, then line 1 equal to f dot read line, then print line 1 comma end. Okay, we read that we can read first line, then that line is printed, then second line, that second line also we can print, then third line, then fourth line, finally we can close that file. Okay, when we read that line 1, what will be its output? Hello user, that means first line. Then line 2 equal to f dot read line, print line 2 comma end. So you are working with that second line will print. Then line 3 equal to f dot read line, print line 3 comma end. Third line will print. What is third line? Python. Then line 4 equal to f dot read line, print line 4 comma end. That means fourth line also printed. After that we can close that file with the help of Python code f dot close. Okay, these are the important codes related with this read line operation. Okay, next operation is read lines operation. Okay, now we are going to discussing about practical implementation of read lines. Please look into this image. Why we are using these read lines, which is used to read all lines into a list. Okay, we can access or we can read all lines from the file and it will store in a list. This program is also based on previous notepad file test.txt. Then what is its first code? F equal to open test.txt. That means that text is that file is opened, then comma r, which is in reading mode. Then lines equal to f dot read lines. Here lines is a variable equal to f dot read lines. F dot read lines is used for reading lines from the file and it will store in a list. Then for line in lines, print line, that means it will read datas, it will read all lines from the file and it will store in a list lines. Okay, then final step is f dot close. Then what is its output? Hello user, you are working with Python files. That means that enter data will print like this. Okay, that means all lines read from the file and it will copied or it will stored in the list, in a list. Okay, so we can use read lines for reading all lines into a list. Okay, reading all lines into a list. Anyway, today we can wind up our class. You kindly practice all these programs, then only you will get the correct idea about each operations and the correct differences between each operations. Okay, you please prepare notes based on this video. I hope you already prepared notes based on previous videos. If you have any doubts or queries related with this class, you can ask during the WhatsApp interaction. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.